here with the Volvo again. I've got it jacked up. I'm going to attempt to build a simple one resonator side pipe exhaust, just because this thing's open headers right now. Yeah, we're going to start off with the flange. Hopefully you can see it there. First issue I've run into is that the flange of the extractors hits on that bit of the transmission cross member. So what I think I'm going to do is use an angle grinder and notch it out. Hey, let's go. That was really scary. My transmission's gonna fall out. I broke my angle grinder last time. There is the old one sitting in there. Basically just bounced and hit the milk crate and it just like locked itself in and I couldn't undo it. I full bent the tool here. It's very bent. That's after I've tried to hammer it back in shape and it would just keep bending out. But yeah, got a new angle grinder finally. It's been about a week and I'm gonna continue on. This is the current welding setup. If there's two things I need in this world, it's a fucking workbench and a vise. That's just not going to suffice at the moment. It's really rickety and wobbly, so I'm just standing it up on the floor. I've got some magnets holding this shit together. It's leaning on this milk crate, and then got the DIY welding trolley and set up here. Finished welding these guys together. Still extremely nasty. My technique's still getting refined. Turns out the issue I was having with wire speed wasn't anything to do with the machine. It was just my hand was like subconsciously pulling away as the machine, and then the wire fed faster and faster, which is actually pretty cool if you think about it, that it tries to match your hand and distance. Now I've marked where I'm going to cut. I'm going to put that 90-degree bend here, and then it'll come, and then I can use this length to pull it out to the side, and it should come out right in front of the back wheel. There we go, home stretch. Got to position it, make sure the angle of the tube is good. Then I just have to figure out a way to mount it so that not all the weight is on the front 2 bolts of the flange. Sidepipe. Having this clamp on the end means that I can just, when I want, remove this pipe, and then I can slide in and clamp up like a muffler, because 100% this is going to be dumb loud. The resonator apparently only takes off like 2 or 3 decibel. It should sound tone-wise a bit better. I'm hoping that it's like really raspy, but certain tracks here have noise restrictions, so a muffler would be necessary.